Alright, this will be an elevator at the Westin La Paloma in the parking garage.
Oh cool, is this 80s?
I could be, we'll see inside. It looks like an 80s series one.
Oh, this is gonna have a big motor.
Oh, look at the logo. Is that 80s or 90s?
This looks 80s.
Oh, awesome. An 80s series one.
This motor.
Let's go back up to 3. Let's switch sides. Got these awesome 80s series 1. These are rare to find nowadays. Most of these have been modernized. I bet Jim Lee will like this 80s elevator. Let's go to 2. Oh, that was a really short one.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful view. Oh, look at those buttons. Definitely 80s.
And
That will be it.
yeah.